Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am finally getting around to showing you how I made these awesome face masks. They are not 100% protected. They're only about, I think, 53 to 52% protection rate. More so protecting the others around you than yourself. To make these masks, you need two types of fabric. You would want the one fabric for the outer, and you want the other fabric to be your lining. You can easily manipulate the pattern to make pockets at the side here to put filters in. And for recommendation for the elastics, I would go with 1/4 of an inch or 1/8 of an inch if you can find any. Depending on your sewing speed, you can get these done within 15-20 minutes or 30 to 45 minutes. Mind you, this mask is made out of cotton. If you're going to be making masks out of a different material, I would suggest looking for a different tutorial. But other than that, all you need is fabric, some thread, and a sewing machine, and let's get started.
For the pattern I'm using, I found it online. If you are interested in this pattern yourself, I will put it in the description box down below. And this pattern provides man, women, teens, young kids, and I believe toddlers as well. In this tutorial, I will be working on my mother's and my father's mask. This will be my father's fabric choice, and this will be my mother's fabric choice. Big Star Wars geeks here. Pin your pieces down onto your outer fabric and start cutting around the pattern piece. And you'll be doing the exact same thing on your lining fabric as well. Start pinning your curve to indicate your 1/2 inch seam allowance. Once you have those pinned, start stitching your 1/2 inch seam allowance around the curve. My camera actually missed a step of me doing this. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your outer and your lining fabrics, and you're going to put right sides together, match your center seams, and pin all the way around. Like so. You can either stitch here 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 an inch. Once you're finished stitching around, turn them inside out. And now you're going to top stitch the folded sides. For the elastics, you're going to fold the side once, and then you're going to fold over the elastic part for the second time, and then pin. And you're going to stitch really close to the folded edge. For the stitching part, I like to go down once, pivot around, and go back, just to make sure it's very locked and secure once you have it on.
I hope you guys enjoyed making these face masks. They are pretty handy, they're very comfortable, they don't slide. There's a lot of space for you to talk. There's a lot of space for you to breathe. There's a lot of space where you're not suffocating. Very comfortable. And so if you guys liked this video and thought this video was helpful, please give this video a nice like. And if you want to follow me and my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to see the rest of the creative content I will be releasing. in the next couple of weeks. And I would like to say thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye.